Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact ShopBase customer service. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment, and analytics. We have marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact ShopBase customer service. So first of all, we have the live chat. So ShopBase offers 24/7 live chat support. You can access the live chat widget on the ShopBase website or your ShopBase store admin dashboard. You can email them. So you can email ShopBase customer support at shopbase.com. They have a Facebook Messenger, so ShopBase support team is also available on Facebook Messenger. You just need to go and visit their page. You have one-on-one consultation, so you can book a one-on-one consultation with a customer service manager for personalized assistance. And of course, on the website they have the, help center where you can of course also go and contact them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.